Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious blueberry muffins at home. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, like flour, sugar, eggs, and a muffin tin. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your muffin tin with liners or by greasing each cup. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Next, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry components such as flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, thoroughly mix your wet ingredients like eggs, milk, and melted butter. Then, gently fold your fresh blueberries into the dry mixture, coating them lightly. Now it's time to bring everything together and bake. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, mixing gently until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full with the batter. Bake your muffins for 18 to 22 minutes or until they are beautifully golden brown. Finally, enjoy your homemade blueberry muffins. Once baked, let them cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. They are absolutely delicious served warm, or you can enjoy them at room temperature for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.